Hey learners! You've spent years learning grammar rules and vocabulary lists, yet when it's time to speak, your mind still freezes. What if I told you the conventional way you're studying English is actually the biggest obstacle to achieving fluency? Becoming fluent requires shifting your approach from academic study to total immersion and active production. Fluency isn't about knowing every rule, it's about speaking and thinking without translating. To achieve this, you must deliberately surround yourself with the language, change the language settings on your phone and computer, and consume media exclusively in English. This includes listening to English language podcasts and music, and watching movies or YouTube videos with English subtitles, and eventually, no subtitles at all. This constant, passive input is crucial because it trains your brain to recognize native rhythm, pronunciation, and the natural flow of grammar patterns, helping you to absorb English as native speakers do rather than manually constructing sentences. This consistent exposure, even when you're not actively studying, significantly accelerates your comfort and comprehension. The second, and perhaps most critical, step is prioritizing output and fearless practice. Many learners stall because they focus too heavily on perfection and avoid speaking out of fear of making mistakes. True fluency is unlocked by using the language constantly, regardless of errors. Seek out opportunities for real-time conversation, join online language exchange groups, find a speaking partner, or talk to yourself in English about your day's activities. Focus on communicating your idea clearly, not on using perfect grammar. Additionally, incorporate shadowing, where you listen to a native speaker on a podcast or video and immediately try to imitate their speech, rhythm, and tone. This active imitation trains your mouth and brain to produce sounds and phrases quickly. Consistency is non-negotiable. Even 15 minutes of focused speaking practice daily is more effective than 3 hours once a week. Now go out and use what you learned today. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I'll see you in the comments.